Okay, so I am done. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Shelly_innovative. If you want to see the results, these pictures eat down. And I did feature my little guest purse in one of my photo shoots. I love doing these photo shoots, and I can't wait to get back into doing these random photo shoots. Number one, it builds momentum in your career. Secondly, if you're able to go in public and ask a stranger to take your picture, then it takes away the fear that you have when you have to, speak in a big crowd, or when you're presenting, because when you have to see yourself bigger than a YouTuber, bigger than a content creator, because there's so much that can come out of this. Your confidence can take you open up so many doors for you, and it can take you so far. But the problem is, oftentimes, if I'm a recruiter and I come to your channel and you're afraid to speak to your own audience, which is your subscribers, why would I even sort to email you? Because why would I email you for a gig when I know that you've already folding under pressure when it comes to your own audience? So, my dream is to be speaking on panels, to get invited to speak about things that I'm passionate about. And if you know me, I somewhat a little bit shy or timid, but I'm that type of person. I'm shy and timid when I'm reading the room. If I just get in the room, I'm gonna be shy and timid because I read every room that I enter. But baby, it never gave shy. If you know me in real life, you know I'm an open book. What you see is what you get. I'm the life of the party. If I'm not there, there's no party happening. But yeah, I just wanted to hop in here and give you guys a little bit of, behind the scenes, and let you guys know that the Lord did not give us the spirit of fear. So always remember that He gave us a spirit of calm mind, and He gave us the spirit of peace and love. So just always remember that the Lord is with you. And every time you need something, you can call upon Him and ask Him. Like me, I was praying, Lord, send someone to take my pictures. The Lord knows I do not like dogs. Because we had pit bulls growing up, and our pit bulls, we would feed them, and then on the times or the days when they're hungry and they ain't got no food, they want to go at us because they want to eat us, because they think we're food. And because of that, it makes me a little bit paranoid with dogs. But if I see a dog, that doesn't mean I'm gonna hit the dog or shoot the dog. No. It's just the fact that I know that dogs can turn on their own masters, because it happened to us when we were kids. But in spite of that, listen, let me tell you how God is. God is so funny. He sent one of the guys that took these pictures, the first set of these pictures. I like some of them, but not all of them. And he sent a man with a dog to come and take my pictures. And the guy was like, do not be afraid. Don't show him your fear. And the Lord didn't give me the spirit of fear. And I stood right there, and when I'm taking pictures, I just was taking shots. I just was moving from one angle to the next. Like, it was just flowing so effortlessly. And it's like you could see He was proud of me, because when He first met me, it's like, this girl is paranoid, but now she's calm enough to take her pictures and go about her day. And I'm so thankful for God. I'm so thankful for Him putting me in that situation, and I'm so thankful for myself for not backing out of it and telling the guy, you know what, it's fine, I don't need you to take my pictures anymore. But today came out the way I wanted it to, perfect. And I did all of this in less than an hour. I shot with 3 different outfits, 3 different locations, or 4, I don't know. I just want to tell you, I'm yapping. Y'all, I could yap. If you really know me, hey, I could yap. But anyways, y'all, I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. It is 3:44 now, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive home, and then I'll go to a Publix closer to my home just so that my salad don't get soggy, and then I can eat my salad and then take this makeup off, get ready for work, and then yeah. I love you guys. Remember that if you guys see this video in 2025, remember that the Lord is still working behind the scenes. Do not give up. If you're having a hard time or you're going through tough times right now, just remember that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all you can ask, think, or even imagine. Eyes have not heard, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, and it have not entered into the heart of man what God is about to do for you in your life. So just keep on pressing on, y'all. Don't give up. Please don't throw in the towel, and just know that God love you. God love you. I love you, but God loves you best. And just keep on going. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. If not, see you soon. Bye. So let me go ahead and just, hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly, and I'm back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the vibes. Here on the channel we do everything wellness, faith, lifestyle, health, beauty, everything. This is a lifestyle channel. Whatever we're getting into, we bring you along. So I've told you guys on my previous vlog about Publix and a salad that went viral. So I'm here at Publix. And I'm about to go and test out this. At least I'm going to purchase it, and then I'm going to go home with you guys so that we can try it out. Let's go. I do have a Publix gift card. I've had this Publix gift card for years. I think Fanny gave me this Publix gift card. Thank you, Fanny. So I don't even know I don't even remember if I used it already, and I don't even know if it has money, but we're gonna go in there. We're gonna try to use it. If not, we'll use cash. So let's go. My foot is white, and this is the only thing I have, heat protector. So I'm using it as lotion. All right, y'all. Let's go. I don't want my hands to be too white, because you know they say depending on how you look, that's how people treat you. So I want to look like $1,000. So whoever is making my salad, they make it with love. All right, y'all, let's go test out this theory. All right, let's go. So I'm back home. I put on my PJs. These days I be living in my PJs. Like, I always used to be like, why do people always wearing PJs? Why are people always wearing pajama sets? Why? But y'all, I understand why. Since the accident, I have been taking it pretty slow. I'm sitting at my vanity set. I would want to show y'all, but it's a bit messy. It's a whole lot. Let me show y'all. So the next time I clean it off, y'all will see, like, this is my my vanity set. Yeah, so I just have y'all crouched up in the corner here. So I'm home, and I wanted to do a little Publix. Oh, Publix don't know. It's just a little peek. Publix is only in Florida. I got me 2 chips, nachos, and Doritos. Instead of getting the viral salad, I was like, you know what? Let me just get a sub. But it took me probably like 20 minutes to get a sub. It was packed. If you know Publix and Publix subs, then you know you'll understand when I say it was packed. So I saw this red velvet cake. I haven't had cake for a long time. I've been fiending for some cake. This is like $3.99. The Publix sub is $10.99. I got a whole sub. I have got them to cut it in half for me. Lately, I've been drinking lots and lots of soda, so I'll be drinking this soda. I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Publix, y'all. I look so beautiful. I mean, I've always been beautiful, but yeah. But anyways, guys, later. So and the sauce that they put on here